Santa.
Hey Santa, how you doing?
Aloha!
So you're going to Honolulu? You're
going to Honolulu. Pearl Ridge Center.
And so you're going to, you're saying, to be a Santa at the mall?
Yes, sir.
Wow, you even got the...
I know, look, it's all me.
So what's your name, by the way?
Pardon?
What's your name?
Santa.
You're Santa.
You're Santa.
This is the real life Santa.
That's right. I got the ID to show it, you know?
Your ID.
Yeah.
Well, this is very impromptu, folks.
I gotta
I only had 2 hours sleep, but I had to do this.
Yeah. A couple of us, could you bring me and my whole family to Hawaii?
He can. You want to ask?
What about you? I saw that right there. Don't you
Oh,
ship waiting?
that's part of the trade-off, actually. Yeah, right. Yeah, I'm working on it.
See, there's my ID. It says
It's the North Pole.
my North Pole ID.
So when I use the Santa tracker, you're the person I'm following.
That's right. When you go to the website for the North American Space Defense Command, you bet they're the ones that tracks my sleigh
Santa, I appreciate it.
out of NORAD in Colorado Springs, Colorado.
Santa, we use your sleigh to get us out of here.
Just no magic until Christmas. No magic till Christmas Eve.
Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, yeah, thank you.